Welcome to My Diffability Australia, a place where different abilities are celebrated. Introducing the Squish Colour Ball, a fun sensory tool that provides great sensory feedback and tactile and visual input. As the ball is squeezed, coloured bubbles appear through the net. When released, the ball returns to normal. Wonderfully tactile. When at full stretch, the small balls appear to look like a handful of marbles. Blue turns to green. Purple turns to pink. Green turns to orange. Orange turns to green. Take care though. This ball is not ideal for those who seek high levels of deep pressure input. For example, when at full extension like this, if you squeeze on the small balls, they are likely to burst. Strange, but an irresistible fidget that you'll never want to put down. From My Diffability Australia, resources for different abilities.